Dear friends in Christ Jesus, we the daughters of Carmel are daily preparing ourselves to celebrate the feast of our elder sister and the first saint of our congregation, Saint Euprasia. On this blissful day, I am extremely happy to express Saint Euprasia's love for the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Jesus exhibits to this world his Sacred Heart as a symbol of God's infinite love, the symbol of his generous, self-sacrificing love for human being. The passionate heart of Jesus throws the love for his children. No human love can be compared with the love of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. The heart that was pierced for his children. Blessed are the fortunate heart that recognized and experienced this sweet love. Saint Euprasia had deep love, devotion and respect to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Her very name was Saint Euprasia of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. The heart regarded as the natural symbol of love and affection. She was in the heart of Jesus and experienced the warmth of that great love. For her, the feast of the Sacred Heart of Jesus was the best liked one. The memory of the Sacred Heart of Jesus on every Friday was celebrated with more prayers, penance and sacrifices. Although she wanted to live a hidden life, she was chosen as a superior of the convent of St. Mary's at Ollu. Though it was painful to accept this responsibility, after an interior inspiration, she installed the statue of the Sacred Heart of Jesus in the center of the convent and entrusted the duty of the Mother Superior to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Mother Euprasia began and ended her day before this Sacred Heart. Looking at the Sacred Heart of Jesus, her beloved spouse, she used to ask, "Where can I get a big heart to love you from?" She spent hours before the Sacred Heart of Jesus in conversing and reciting his rosary with great love and enthusiasm. Saint Euprasia could sense the needs of the people around because she touched the heart of Jesus. She imbibed the love of the Sacred Heart of Jesus and imparted this same love to the fellow human beings. Dear friends, as we are preparing for the feast of our beloved Saint Euprasia, let us to seek the intercession of our elder sister, Saint Euprasia, to get this passionate love for the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Thank you. May God bless you.